Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's Abby again. Today's tutorial is going to be very different. I'm going to be sharing with you how I style or will be styling my knotless braids. So I literally just got knotless braids fresh last week. As you can see, they're looking tight and right. I'm really enjoying them. I'm really feeling myself. Like, I've arrived and I'm not going anywhere. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, because that's how I know that you lot are liking what I'm giving you. You know what I mean? Also, if you're not subscribed, sis, bro, all you need to do is subscribe and press the notification bell so that you never miss a video. It's so simple, okay? Anyway,
I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. Yeah. Peso, I be sipping tea up in Mako. Queso, I be preaching up in Seychelles. Send me anywhere I'll be. Yeah, my God loves me. And brother man, let me tell you something. He loves you too, I'll give you that for free. Islander with a train G. Yo, what I said, yeah, I meant it. Say me bye-bye when he hold me tighter. Looking in my eye, I'm loving my anywhere I go, I know he calling for me. Up and on my belly, now me calling for tea. Said pre from the other side, yeah, sometimes. See, how we're gonna shine, yeah, sometimes. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. How many times has he saved me? Time and again, yeah, he's called me so many times, yeah, I let you down. I turn away and then I come back round. He is the owner now of my life, send me bring it to the owner now, yeah. Can you send me over now? Said I wanna preach unto me older now, yeah. Love me back until the next time. Alpha the Omega, that's about right. Devil fool me once, but he can't fool twice. Fire burn a demon, it's just on sight. In the back of the car with my bros, high street 10 toes, yeah, we saving souls. With my bro Marco, mileage, yeah, we pull up on the strip tryna say these souls. I've been in my feelings, I'm praying to my Lord. On my knees, I be in the Gaza. This spiritual war, I be fighting all these demons with my Lord, said that he my father. Said I'm in a foreign land and I wanna bring peace. Yeah, I know I wanna be a fighter. You can send me anywhere, any mission, I don't care. Holy Spirit, come and hold me tighter. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. Yeah. Peso, I be sipping tea up in Mako. Queso, I be preaching up in Seychelles. Send me anywhere I'll be. Yeah, my God loves me. And brother man, let me tell you something. He loves you too, I'll give you that for free. Islander with a train G. Yo, what I said, yeah, I meant it. Say me bye-bye when he hold me tighter. Looking in my eye, I'm loving my anywhere I go, I know he calling for me. Up and on my belly, now me calling for tea. Said pre from the other side, yeah, sometimes. See, how we're gonna shine, yeah, sometimes. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. How many times has he saved me? Time and again, yeah, he's called me so many times, yeah, I let you down. I turn away and then I come back round. He is the owner now of my life, send me bring it to the owner now, yeah, yeah. Can you send me over now? Said I wanna preach until me older now, yeah, yeah. Love me back until the next time. Alpha the Omega, that's about right. Devil fool me once, but he can't fool twice. Fire burn a demon, it's just on sight. In the back of the car with my bros, high street 10 toes, yeah, we saving souls. With my bro Marco, mileage, yeah, we pull up on the strip tryna say these souls. I've been in my feelings, I'm praying to my Lord on my knees, I be in the Gaza. This spiritual war, I be fighting all these demons with my Lord, said that he my father. Said I'm in a foreign land and I wanna bring peace, yeah, I know I wanna be a fighter. You can send me anywhere, any mission, I don't care. Holy Spirit, come and hold me tighter. See, I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. Yeah. Peso, I be sipping tea up in Mako. Queso, I be preaching up in Seychelles. Send me anywhere I'll be. Yeah, my God loves me. And brother man, let me tell you something. He loves you too, I'll give you that for free. Islander with a train G. Yo, what I said, yeah, I meant it. Say me bye-bye when he hold me tighter. Looking in my eye, yeah, I'm loving my life. Anywhere I go, I know he calling for me. Up and down my belly, let me calling for tea. Said pre from the other side, yeah, it's all time. See, how we're gonna shine, yeah, it's all time. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. How many times has he saved me? Time and again, yeah, he's called me so many times, yeah, I let you down. I turn away and then I come back round. He is the owner now of my life, send me bring it to the owner now, yeah, yeah. Can you send me over now? Said I wanna preach until me older now, yeah, yeah. Love me back until the next time. Alpha the Omega, that's about right. Devil fool me once, but he can't fool twice. Fire burn a demon, it's just on sight. In the back of the car with my bros, high street 10 toes, yeah, we saving souls. With my bro Marco, mileage, yeah, we pull up on the strip tryna say these souls. I've been in my feelings, I'm praying to my Lord on my knees, I be in the Gaza. This spiritual war, I be fighting all these demons with my Lord, said that he my father. Said I'm in a foreign land and I wanna bring peace, yeah, I know I wanna be a fighter. You can send me anywhere, any mission, I don't care. Holy Spirit, come and hold me tighter. See, I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. Yeah. Peso, I be sipping tea up in Mako. Queso, I be preaching up in Seychelles. Send me anywhere I'll be. Yeah, my God loves me. And brother man, let me tell you something. He loves you too, I'll give you that for free. Islander with a train G. Yo, what I said, yeah, I meant it. Say me bye-bye when he hold me tighter. Looking into my eye, yeah, I'm loving my life. Anywhere I go, I know he calling for me. Up and down my belly, know me calling for tea. Said pre from the other side, yeah, sometimes. See, we're gonna shine, yeah, sometimes. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. How many times has he saved me? Time and again, yeah, he's called me so many times, yeah, I let you down. I turn away and then I come back round. He is the owner now of my life, so me bring it to the owner now, yeah, yeah.
For any of the hair accessories that I will be using, like any headscarves or wraps or hairbands, whatever, I'm gonna leave that in the description box. You can read all about it down there. Those were all the styles that I had to show you, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then once again, do not forget to press that like button and also subscribe to my channel. So many more videos just like this coming up for you. When I'm not on YouTube, you can catch me on my social medias, my Instagram, sometimes on Twitter. I'll leave all the details in the description box. I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye guys.
And I wanna bring peace, yeah, I know I wanna be a fighter. You can send me anywhere, any mission, I don't care. Holy Spirit, come and hold me tighter. See, I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I can never fall asleep. Said I need to pray, don't cease. I don't wanna see at the right hand of my father. Lately I've been so weak. I like it.